All right, it's ready to go. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. As you're all well aware of, I've had the Fimi X8 SE 2020 for a few weeks right now, and I seem to can't get enough of flying that drone. One of the things that I found very interesting is that it does have precision landing. We're going to take a look at precision landing. Now I have two clips that I want to show you. We're going to roll the first clip here, follow it up by the second clip, and then I'm going to discuss the two. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and roll that first clip right now. Is it coming down in the yard? Okay. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and roll the second clip right now. Okay, we'll let it get up to its 13.1 feet there. And it's pretty still tonight, so we're going to give it a second here. Go ahead and start recording. We are recording. Get it up to about 100 feet. So I'm going to take a quick trip out here. The lake is just absolutely gorgeous tonight. Let's go ahead and I'm going to take it down there. It's absolutely picturesque tonight. Okay, it said it's detected the landing pad. Landing pad detected, landing pad not detected. see where we end up here. Okay, we might hit the landing pad here. Let's take a look and see what we got. We might hit this landing pad here, folks. Okay, that is a full-on, absolutely, positively incredible. I was very impressed. Now, obviously, you can see the difference between the two clips is one was a precision landing and one was not. But I want to tell you what makes all the difference in the world. Fimi states that when it comes to 13.1 feet, that's where it acquires the home point, or that's where it takes the picture that it looks for to line up for precision landing. Well, if you notice in the first video, it was very windy that day during takeoff. It was so windy that it did not have a chance to accurately get a picture of that landing pad. Now, if you look on the second video, it was perfectly calm that day, and at 13.1 feet, it did get that, and it landed on the pad. So I feel that is the key to a successful precision landing with the Fimi X8 SE 2020. Question of the day: have you had success with precision landing with the Fimi X8 SE 2020? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.